Alright, first thing you'd have to do is have a work day. This place needs to be cleaned up. Plenty of potential, plenty of space. That's the kitchen. There's a bathroom. One bedroom there. One bedroom here. Alright, we're gonna walk down now. The downstairs, probably what you want to use most the first year. A lot of good covered area here. You can pull up a RV in as well. A bunch of other rooms. That's another kitchen, but it needs to be gotten in working order. There's another bedroom right there. There's another double bunk bed. Two double bunk bed type rooms there. Here's the facility. And a nice big area where you can, I guess, really do whatever you want. But again, a lot of good covered for probably four-wheelers, fifth wheels, pop-ups, nice concrete pad. But the inside's gonna need a good cleaning and work.